Sorry about the light, guys. My light kind of went off. But, let's see if no, yeah, that's as bright as it's gonna go. But here's the pizza. All done. So you guys can see what it looks like. This is the bottom of the crust. So you guys can see it's not burnt. Everything comes out quite perfect on this pan. And this is what it looks like. I'm going to cut a piece and eat it up. Mmm. Oh, wow. Woo! Yeah, guys. It's right here. It's about to slam. So, I just wanted you guys to see the final result. I'm going to cut a piece later. Well, here in a few minutes, actually. And I will post a picture for you guys so you can see. It's really hot, so I can't just, like, rip a piece off to show you the cheese. But this cheese is very melty. Maybe I can do a little piece here. This cheese is very melty, guys. You see that? Very melty cheese here. As you can see, I'm just going to tear off a little corner so y'all can see. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, really good. Okay. Maybe I will show you guys. Baby, can you cut me that pizza cutter? So, while I'm waiting for the pizza cutter, I'm making a second Hot Pocket. Hey, Monica, what you doing, sis? That is Hot Pocket number 2, guys, that I'm making in there. And this one I'm making with sharp cheddar, Sebian sharp cheddar, so y'all can see it. Got my pizza cutter here. Check this out. Oh, wow, this is going to be really good, people. I'm cutting it big because I eat a lot, and you know what I'm saying? And I know I'm going to be eating a lot of this pizza, so cutting this for you guys. Now, guys, like I told you, this is Sebian. This is homemade Sebian food, so, you know, you're going to get all the wonderful tastiness of regular pizza, but you're going to get to do it without having to worry about all those things that people worry about, you know, the bread, the gluten, the cheese, and everything. So check it out. You know, here we go.